We have rights.
We have rights.
We have rights.
You have rights.
We have rights.
If immigration officers come to your home, they may not be in uniform.
Open the door.
Always ask who is knocking before you open the door.
Who is it? Immigration Department, open the door.
你是谁啊?
Keep the door closed, stay calm, and keep breathing.
We just want to talk, ask you a few questions.
They must have a valid warrant to enter the home. Ask to see the warrant before you open the door.
Do you have a warrant? Do you have a warrant signed by a judge?
You're not in trouble. We just want to talk. Open the door.
If you don't have a warrant, I'm not opening the door. It's my right.
I need to see a warrant.
If you have a warrant, slip it underneath the door. If not, I'm not opening the door.
If the person we're looking for is not inside, we will leave.
Si no tiene una orden de arresto, no le voy a abrir. Pase la orden de arresto por abajo de la puerta.
Slip the warrant under the door.
A valid warrant has the correct name, address, and judge's signature. Without this information, the warrant is not valid. Ask them to leave.
The person you're looking for doesn't live here. Please leave.
You have the wrong address. Leave. Open the door.
If they don't have a warrant, ask them to leave.
Ustedes no tienen una orden de arresto. Se tienen que ir.
If you don't have a warrant, I'm not opening the door.
Continue to breathe and keep the door closed. If the warrant is valid, this could be hard to do. So the person whose name is on the warrant should just exit alone. This is best because if officers enter, they may actually take other people. If officers are in your home, choose someone to speak to the officers. That person should ask for the officers' names and badge numbers.
Necesito sus nombres y sus números de placa.
If it is safe, film what is happening.
I have the right to remain silent. I don't have to answer any of your questions.
And write down everything you see and hear. Remember, officers may lie, manipulate, and intimidate you for information.
You have to answer my question.
I have the right to remain silent. It is my right. I don't have to answer your questions.
If asked about your immigration status, do not answer.
Are you legal?
¿Estás ilegalmente en este país?
Do you have proper documents to be in this country?
Do not share where you were born or your immigration story.
I have the right to remain silent.
Es mi derecho no contestar ninguna pregunta antes de hablar con un abogado primero.
Once officers are in your home, they may search your home, question and interrogate you, or detain you. If officers begin to search your home, you can say no.
Who else lives here?
Say, I do not consent to a search.
I do not consent a search.
I didn't consent for you to come in. No les doy permiso entrar a mi casa.
If you don't speak English, write the message on a piece of paper. Write, I do not consent to a search. Remember to write down everything that's happening and film if that's safe, especially if your home is being searched without your permission.
¿Estás ilegalmente en este país?
What's your name?
Tienes que contestar mis preguntas.
If the officer keeps asking questions and is interrogating you, show them your red immigration card and stay silent. Do not sign anything or share your immigration story until you speak with a lawyer. If you are detained, remind yourself to stay calm and silent. If you are let go, leave calmly and talk to someone about what happened to you. Deportation is cruel. And it's not okay that this is our reality.
Just like Black communities have the talk with their family,
Undocumented people also need to stop and prepare for our health and safety.
Make some time to follow these next steps.
Step 1, practice what you do.
Everything we have shared with you, practice and share it with your friends and family.
Practice staying calm.
Practice your breathing.
practice staying silent,
Practice asking for a lawyer.
Step 2, find legal support.
Memorize the lawyer's name and number.
when you talk to a lawyer, ask about your immigration options.
And keep their information with you at all times.
If you are detained, it's best to call a lawyer that knows you and your case.
Step 3, make a plan with people closest to you.
Talk about what to do, who can support, and how to protect each other.
Make a plan of action for home and work.
Write it down and share the plan with everyone that should know about it.
Also, memorize the number of someone you trust.
If detained, you will need someone to call for support.
Step 4, remember to live your life.
Continue to go to school, to work, visit the doctor,
And do things that make you happy.
Beyond our status and limitations.
We are undocumented and thrive.